In the expansion of the coefficient of x is 5, find the value of the constant a. Given is 1 by ax plus 2ax square power 5. For every binomial theorem sum, we write the general term first. The general term is NCR x power r y power n minus r. In place of n is the power. In place of x, inside this bracket whichever has got x, that you will take it for x. Here both of them has got x, so you can take any one to be x. So if I take this to be x, the other one will be for y. Replace them here. So what do I get? 5cr. In place of x it is 2ax square power r. In place of y it is 1 by ax power n minus r, that is 5 minus r. Okay, next. Try to simplify this as much as you can. So now 5cr cannot be simplified, so you write that. Now here r apply to each. So that will be 2 power r, a power r, x power 2 power r. And same here, apply the power to this and also to this. So that will be 1 power 5 minus r by ax power 5 minus r. Okay. Now simplify further. That is 5cr 2 power r, a power r, x power 2 power r. One base has got multiple powers. Result is a power m into n. Okay, so this will be x power 2 into r is 2r. Next, 1 power anything is 1 only. So you don't need to put a power on 1 because 1 power anything is 1 by. Simplify this, the power applies to each. So a power 5 minus r, x power 5 minus r. Clear till here? Now, write all numbers first, x at last. Write x at last. See. So that is 5cr 2 power r, a power r, denominator is a power 5 minus r, x power 2r by x power 5 minus r. Okay, now simplify further. How? By looking at this. What formula can you apply here? It's of the form a power m by a power n. Whenever it is of the form a power m by a power n, bases are same, division, subtract the powers. So it is a power m minus n. So same way if I subtract the powers here. So 2r minus 5 minus r. Multiply with minus. So 2r minus 5 plus r. These are like terms. So that will be 3r minus 5. So now this will change to 5cr 2 power r, a power r by a power 5 minus r, x power 3r minus 5. Okay. Now, see, coefficient of x power 1, that means on x the power is 1 and over here the power on x is 3r minus 5. Equate both the powers, will give you the value of r. So 1 equal to 3r minus 5, add 5 on both sides. So here 6 equal to 3r, divide by 3. So 2 equal to r, replace that 2 here. So 5c2 2 power 2 a power 2 by a power 5 minus 3. No, 5 minus 2 is 3 and x power 1. Okay. Now, given to us is coefficient of x power 1 is 5. Here the coefficient is this and here he told x power 1 coefficient is 5. Both represent coefficient of x power 1. That could only happen if both are equal. So equate both. So 5c2 into 2 power 2 into a square by a cube is equal to 5. Simplify this, you will get the value of a. Now 5c2 is 10 into 2 square is 4 into a square by a cube is equal to 5. Cross multiply. How much do you get? 10 into 4 is 40, a square is equal to 5a cube. Okay, next. Divide by 5 such that I get a cube here and over here 8a square. Now divide by a square such that this cancel out. 8 is equal to a power 3 by a power 2. A power 3 minus 2, that is 1. So a value we got it to be 8. Okay. Whatever is the smallest power of a, with that we divide. Okay.